how's it going? Welcome to another episode of Rah Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be cooking some leftovers. Now, how to repurpose food from yesterday and make it into a new meal is one of the number one skills that you need to have in order to be a real chef. How can you repurpose this food or use every part of that animal or make a new dish from a dish that you made yesterday? You just don't put leftovers on the plate and serve them up again. It's never going to taste the same as the first day you cooked that meal. With that being said, now the leftovers I'm going to use today came from the gingerbread that I boiled back when I did the Cajun turkey and the baked turkey and pineapple video. So I have all the fruit that I put in that pot. I made 3 batches. I made one with peaches, one with just pineapples, and I made one with grapefruit. So I did it in layers. I made the first one pineapple, then I added the grapefruit, made the second batch. And then to the pineapples and the grapefruit, I added a can of peaches, and then I put another thing of ginger in, made the 3rd gallon. So I made 3 gallons. So now I have all of this ginger, grapefruit, pineapples, not oranges, peaches sitting here from that day. The ginger and the sugar kind of pickled them, so they're just like sweet, ginger filled and delicious. What can I do with this pile of fruit? I don't want to throw it away. It's been sitting in the refrigerator for about a week or 2. And they taste just the same as they did on day 1. I said, maybe I should blend all of this down and make a pie. Now let's give it a shot.
Blake Fool.
Innocent incantation, number 94. Yeah. Baby, you can hurt me, I'll be so down, I won't frown, I'll smile like a soldier. You can hurt me, desert me, so I'll be I'm so down, I won't frown, still I smile like a soldier. Saying that you be my best friend, to desert me, I'll give in. Everyone's told me your feelings, to desert me was the difference. Though I stay true to you hurt me, all that I give isn't working. Sticking on you when you hurt me, I can see now you're not worth me. I'll be cool without you. I'm a soldier.
Blake food.
Innocent incantation number 75. Let's do this. Baby, take no more. Let me go. You want more. Baby, take no more. I won't give up on love, but I will give up on you and me. Everything I do, got you. See what you do for me.
Alright, we all set. Now, I waited for about 4 hours, let it sit on the stove so it can cool down, turn the oven off, put a little screen net on top of it so the heat can escape. The pie is ready. Put it in the refrigerator overnight after it cooled down so we can come back tomorrow because it got kind of late waiting for it to cool down. So now let's check it out. Let's get it outside of this and see how it came out.
You were never friend to me. From day when you lied, I know. And now you want more. Baby, take no more. Let me go. You want more. Baby, take no more. Hold up, stop me closer. Keep you on me, you get older. Less than 50, ain't 100. It's the real me, you the fake one. Hold up, stop me closer. Keep you on me, you get older. Less than 50, ain't 100. It's the real me, you the fake one. Please don't go enemy. Open up your mind, come on. You were never real with me. I was just too blind to know. Love is not our enemy. Open up your mind, come on. It was you who wasn't real with me. I was just too blind to know. And now you want more. Baby.
Came out beautiful. You can see both the layers inside the pie. So I've never seen anyone do a 2-layer pie. I wanted to make it 3-layer, but I changed my mind at the last second. Let's give it a taste. It's very delicious. Now, I didn't have to put that much sugar in it because the ginger mix already was boiled in with sugar, so that provided the sweetness. But you can make a 2-layer pie just like you would any other pie with the normal ingredients, but just put it in layers. Do 2 thin layers, 3 thin layers, or whatever. It tastes very delicious, and paired on the side of it, I had some rum raisin ice cream. That's my favorite ice cream. But like this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and check out the merchandise page. Thank you. See you next time.